We've been down this road so many times before. Shiba Inu coin stuck in a consolidation pattern, and then it breaks. And right now, guys, it is a little bit annoying, right? We watch Shiba Inu coin, it's sitting, it's doing nothing. It's sitting right there at 2,000 points per coin. Please break out. And it will. And when it does, you're either going to miss out because you were waiting and trying to time it, or you're going to be able to take advantage of it because you're accumulating now, you're holding now, and you're anticipating that breakout now. Now, we're going to be talking about it in this video because, yes, it's got some negative pressure out there, but that negative pressure typically ends in a nice little bounce to the upside. Shiba Inu coin, and you can see it, man, it is tightening down in this range, waiting for a move. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, Shiba Inu coin is consolidating tight. I mean, you can see these candles getting smaller and smaller and smaller over the last couple of days, and a breakout is going to happen in one direction or another. Okay. Now, I don't necessarily think that Bitcoin is gonna break to the downside and fall back down below $100,000 anytime soon. If it does, Shiba Inu coin's going along with it, guys. We gotta be prepared for that. But I believe Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin are gonna see some very nice action to the upside. Now, because of that, I'm not buying any more Shiba Inu coin right now. I've got a lot, guys. I've been accumulating like crazy, but I am diversifying. Wall Street Pepe is one of them that I'm diversifying into, and you guys can see that it is insane. In less than 24 hours, they've raised over $1 million now, crossing that $60 million mark, rolling in on $61 million. And if you guys are interested in diversifying into this as well, you can buy with crypto or buy with card. You get a link for everything down in the description below. From there, it's a very simple process, but if you need help figuring out how to scan the QR code, how to do all of that, I do have a full walkthrough tutorial on my channel, how to buy Wall Street Pepe. Type it in, put my wallet on the left-hand side of the screen, show you guys every button to click on. Wall Street Pepe is my heaviest held ICO right now. Beyond excited about it because this thing has done crazy volume over the last essentially 6 weeks. It's done about $1 million per day in average activity, and it's actually crossing that level now, doing between like $1.2 to $2 million a day in net inflows. Let's discuss Shiba Inu coin, right? Shiba Inu coin is facing a continued struggle to reclaim upward momentum as bearish sentiment keeps the price tethered below the critical 2045, and it's a very tight last couple of days. You guys can see, let me zoom in, right? You guys can see here that Shiba Inu coin over the last 24 hours has essentially been stuck between 2015 points and 1985 points. That's a 30-point move, guys, a 1.5% move. 1.5% range on the entire day. That is extremely tight for even Bitcoin. That would be tight. And it's been that way, consolidating and tightening essentially over the last week. Now, this will result in a break in some way or another, and I believe it could be a very positive break back to the upside. The bears cannot push it, right? They're trying their best, but the bulls are buying like crazy at that 2,000 point per coin mark. The bears cannot push it down below that level right now. It says, the 2045 mark remains a significant hurdle for SHIB, acting as a psychological and technical barrier that has been difficult to breach. This level has previously capped rallies, signaling that market participants remain cautious and the bullish outlook for SHIB is currently uncertain. The bullish outlook for the entire market right now is currently uncertain, though. If we come out here and you go to CoinMarketCap and you look at the Fear and Greed Index, it's a level of 60, guys. This 59 to 60 is your cusp for neutrality into greed. I can't even say the level of 60 is greedy right now. And you know what? Let's just actually see if we can go. CoinStats has another very good Fear and Greed Index. If you go to CoinStats, the Fear and Greed Index right here, we get CoinMarketCap at a level of just 1 into the, and that's the same thing right here. Just ticking 61 greed right now, and you've got 60 greed over here on CoinMarketCap. The market is extremely neutral, and I can't justify it. I mean, to be certain, right? But I think a lot of people were expecting some fantastic fireworks on Inauguration Day. They didn't get it. So they're wondering, well, why didn't the U.S., why didn't the new president go out and buy a quadrillion dollars worth of Bitcoin and send Shiba Inu coin to a penny? And it sounds kind of crazy, right? But these are the types of unrealistic expectations that people put into their minds. And then when those unrealistic expectations are not met, people are a little dismayed. They're like, well, how could that be? Maybe crypto's not good. Maybe I shouldn't buy as much right now. The U.S. didn't just put a bazillion dollars into Bitcoin and Ethereum. So they are buying tens of millions of dollars, though, guys. World Liberty Financial has bought tens of millions of dollars worth of Ethereum and I believe Solana over the last couple of days here. There's executive orders surrounding cryptocurrency now. The SEC has promised clear regulatory guidelines to allow exchanges to embrace and grow in this environment. We have got the best of the best on the horizon right now. We just got to get through and get retail investors emotional once again. The statistics back it up. You look at meme coin search volume, all-time high, ready to surge even higher. You look at how to buy crypto, recent high, highest level it's been since 2021. Shiba Inu coin may be facing some bearish pressure right now, but it's not going to be enough to make this dump off. It's simply something that we have to get through, a hurdle, you could say. It says bearish sentiment has firmly gripped Shiba Inu coin's price action, with the cryptocurrency consistently unable to breach the 2045 level. Despite intermittent rallies and brief upward movements, Shiba Inu coin has failed to gain necessary momentum to break through this key barrier. But I believe that it will. And that's what I started the video with, right? We can sit here and we can wait. We can try to time the market. We can wait for the break. But here's what happens, guys. When you wait for that break, the last time Shiba Inu coin broke back up above this 2,000 point per coin level, this was one day. From that 2,000 to 2,800 points per coin. And in essentially 3 days, 2,000 to 3,000 points per coin. Now, I'm just going to be honest with you. This green candle right here, if you were trying to time it, you'd miss out on the entire move from 2,000 to 2,800. And I cannot miss out on that move. So I might have to stomach a few down days. I might have to stomach a few red percentages. But I do know that when SHIB breaks back out, it's going to break back out hard. And I'm going to be able to take advantage of that. If you guys are interested in buying Shiba Inu coin or really any other cryptocurrency for that matter, the KSEX exchange, you got links for it down in the description below, is absolutely incredible. And the fees right now are minimal. Check this out. 0% maker, 0% taker fees. KSEX has the best selection of meme coins that I have ever seen in the United States. You can even grab Trump and Melania out there if you want. And also, you've got the BitUnix exchange. Trump and Melania are on a huge discount right now, and I believe that they're going to rebound nicely on the next post. I think that Elon is going to be posting about one or both of these tokens here at some point in the future, and I'm not missing out on that. I'm accumulating as much as I can on BitUnix and on KSEX. Let me know what you guys are doing, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.